Rivian rolls out its own version of Sentry mode. Rivian is rolling out its own version of Tesla's Sentry mode, a feature that helps remotely record instances of vandalism or other events that occur near a vehicle. Rivian is launching its GearGuard live camera in a new software update that will roll out today, and it will effectively be a similar feature to Tesla's Sentry mode. GearGuard Live Cam will work as a security camera, using the Rivian R1T and R1S exterior cameras to monitor what goes on around your car and your property. The company said it was a top requested feature from our customers. The company described the feature. Customers will now be able to view their vehicle's live camera feeds remotely in the Rivian app. This is helpful in the case of an alarm notification. You can review camera feeds in the app when the alarm is triggered, but it's also useful when you're parked at a busy train station for the day, or to see what's going on in your driveway. Rivian also released this video to announce the launch of the feature. Vehicles have exterior cameras. This feature seems like a logical one. Monitoring the vehicle and the area around it has resulted in Tesla owners gaining plenty of peace of mind as Sentry mode has become more popular. It has also been used to solve instances of vandalism, especially keying, but has also recently been a major piece of technology used by police departments in the Bay Area to solve crimes. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.